Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu Alaikum, dear student. Welcome to my YouTube channel Learn with Azam. Today we will discuss about new syllabus Punjab Book Foundation Physics SSC 2 Unit number 13 Electrostatic. In this video we will discuss about according to SLO base or FBISC requirement, numerical problems, question number 5 to 7 in part 2. Next in other part 3. Now let's start numerical problem question number 5. According to given statement, the potential at a point in electric field is 10 raised to power 4 volt. If the charge of plus 100 microcoulomb is brought from infinity to this point, what would be the amount of work done on it? So according to the statement, write the given data. Given data, electric potential V is equal to 10 raised to power 4 watt and also charge Q is equal to 100 coulomb microcoulomb. Here 1 micro is equal to 10 raised to power minus 6. So charge Q is equal to 100 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 6. That is equal to 10 raised to power minus 4 coulomb. Now required that work done W is question mark. Using the formula, we know that work is equal to Q multiplied by V. Here we can use V is equal to Q W upon Q. So rearrange and find the value of W. As we know that potential difference is equal to work upon unit charge, so we can find the work. We will write W is equal to QV. Putting the values, then W is equal to 10 raised to power minus 4 multiplied by 10 raised to power 4. That is equal to 10 raised to power 0. So any variable given power is 0, that will be equal to 1. So work done is equal to 1 joule. This implies that W is equal to 1 joule. Result of question number 5, amount of work done W is equal to 1 joule. Now in next numerical question number 6. Numerical problem question number 6, given statement. A point charge of positive 2 coulomb is transferred from a point at a potential of 100 volt to a point at a potential of 50 volt. What would be the energy supplied by the charge? Here, first of all, write the given data. Charge Q is equal to plus 2 coulomb and potential at a point A, VA is equal to 100 volt and potential at point B, VB is equal to 50 volt. Here required that energy supplied by the charge. So using the formula, energy E is equal to Q into delta V, or we use E is equal to Q into VA minus VB. So finding the solution, as we know that E is equal to Q into VA minus VB, putting the values. Then E is equal to 2 into 100 minus 50. Here 100 minus 50, that will be equal to 50. So energy E is equal to 2 multiplied by 50. So the value of E is equal to 100 joule. Required result of question number 6. Energy supplied by the charge E is equal to 100 joule. Now in question number 6. Numerical problems. Question number 6. Given statement. A capacitor holds 0.06 coulomb of charge when fully charged by a 9-volt battery. So, calculate the capacitance of a capacitor. According to given statement, write the given data. Charge Q is equal to 0.06 coulomb and voltage V is equal to 9 volt. So we can require that capitance C is equal to question mark. Using the formula, we know that Q is equal to CV. Then finding the solution, as we know that Q is equal to CV, then putting the values, we can find the C. C is equal to Q upon V. That is equal to 0.06 divided by 9. 0.06 divided by 9. So C is equal to 6.67 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 3 Friday. So the result of question number 7, capital C is equal to 6.67 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 3 fraud. Best of luck. Subscribe our channel for more videos. Allah Hafiz.